best multiplayer game to play with friends. So hello guys, in this beautiful video, I will tell you best multiplayer game to play with friends. So for that, we will simply go to Play Store. Here you guys will search for offline games. After searching offline games, you will see on fourth number offline games, no Wi-Fi games, 10,000. So simply click on that. Now you need to click on install. So once you install, simply click on play. Here you guys will see a lot of games, but I will tell you about two best multiplayer game in these offline games. The number one was Archery game. You guys can simply click on that. After that you guys will see play with board, play with friend. So simply click on play with friend and you can play that game with your friend. The second best game was Memory game. So it was my favorite and one of the best game to play. So you guys can simply scroll and you guys will see an end memory. So simply click on that and it will say board and friend. So simply click on friend. Now wait, here the game is about you need to remember the two picks, and if you gauge the same like I did, so you win. And if you didn't, it will flip like that, like you can see. So after that, the turn will be your friends, and that's how you guys can play that game. Thanks for watching.